students, welcome to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Dear students, today we discuss some problems in probability chapter. These questions are related to permutations and combinations and some theory of equations like that. Dear students, in probability you must know the favorable cases, total cases. Ratio of favorable cases to total number of cases is called probability of the event. My dear students, మనకి ఈ ప్రాబబిలిటీ చాప్టర్లో సమ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ప్రాబబిలిటీ అనగానే భయపడకండి, చాలా సింపుల్గా ఉంటుంది. ఎవరైతే పర్మిటేషన్స్ అండ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ బాగా చేస్తారో అవి ఈజీగా చేయొచ్చు. అనదర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ రిగార్డింగ్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ 2022 ఈజ్, ఎవరైతే 2020 అటెంప్ట్ చేసి సీట్ రాలేదో ఈ ఇయర్ కూడా రాయొచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. 2020స్లో అడ్వాన్స్ రాసి 2021 రాసి సీట్ రాకపోతే 2022లో కూడా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. జనరల్గా అడ్వాన్స్ 2 times మాత్రమే అటెంప్ట్ చేయాలి, థర్డ్ టైం కుదరదు. బట్ ఈ కోవిడ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ వల్ల 2022 అటెంప్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు, 2021 అటెంప్ట్ చేసిన వాళ్ళు 2022 కూడా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు, 2020 వాళ్ళు కూడా అటెంప్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ పాయింట్, ఓకేనా? నౌ ప్రాబబిలిటీ క్వశ్చన్. If 4 vertices of a regular octagon are chosen at random, regular octagon, 4 vertices are chosen at random, then the probability that the quadrilateral formed by them is rectangle. Rectangle ante opposite sides perpendicular, adjacent sides are opposite sides parallel, adjacent sides are perpendicular. First you draw the rough diagram of octagon. Regular octagon means all sides are equal. See in this diagram, here we have regular octagon means we have 8 vertices. 8 vertices. If 4 vertices are of a regular hexagon are chosen at random, that means n of s 8c4. Out of 8, 4 are chosen at random. Chosen at random means we have to select 4. 8c4. 8c4 means 8 into 7 into 6 into 4, 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 2 3s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 2 into 5, 10 into 7, 70. It is an office. Now let E be the event that selected 4 vertices form a rectangle. Let E be event that chosen 4 vertices form a rectangle. Students, 4 vertices చూసుకోవాలి రెక్టాంగిల్. మీరు ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ డయాగ్రామ్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఈ రెడ్ లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసినవి, ఈ 2 లైన్స్, ఈ లైన్ మనకి రెక్టాంగిల్ ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. వన్ ఆఫ్ ది రెక్టాంగిల్. మనం ఈ 4 vertices సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫార్మ్ ఏ రెక్టాంగిల్. వన్ ఆఫ్ ది రెక్టాంగిల్ దిస్. Similarly, this is another rectangle. మనం 4 vertices సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఈ 4 తీసుకుంటే మాత్రమే రెక్టాంగిల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అలాగే ఈ బ్లూ లైన్స్ డ్రా చేసాను చూడండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ రెక్టాంగిల్. అలాగే దిస్ ఈజ్ అనదర్ రెక్టాంగిల్. సో సెలెక్టెడ్ 4 vertices ఫార్మ్ రెక్టాంగిల్. సో మనకి మొత్తం 4 rectangles ఉన్నాయి. దిస్ ఈజ్ 1, this is 1, like this one, another one is this. So 4. That means n of E equal to number of favorable cases to E, 4. So required probability equal to n of E by n of S, that equal to 4 by 70, that equal to 2 by 35. So this is the answer. Dear students, important point is selected 4 vertices form a rectangle. So E point 2 points, alage E2 points, alage E2. So 1, ఇది 1, 2, 3, ఇది తీసుకుంటే 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. ఓకేనా? See next question. If A and B are randomly chosen from the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, then the probability that the number of expressions, probability that the expression ax power 4 plus bx cube a plus 1 into x square plus bx plus 1 has positive value for all real values of x. Students, first you find n of s, total outcomes. A and B are chosen randomly from 1 to 9. That means we can select A in 9 ways. A can be selected any one of the digit from this set in 9 ways. B also can be selected in any one of the given digits in 9 ways. So 9 into 9, 81. Since for A, any one of digit from given digits can be selected in 9 ways. We may write like this: each of A and B. We may write this: each of A and B. So n of s is 9 into 9, 81. Let E be event that this expression has positive value. Given expression has positive value. Let us consider expression ax power 4 plus bx cube a plus 1 into x square plus bx plus 1, which is equal to, multiply inside, ax power 4 plus ax square bx cube plus bx x square plus 1, which is equal to, in these two take ax square common, x square plus 1. In these two take bx common, x square plus 1 plus x square plus 1. In each term we have x square plus 1, take it outside common, ax square plus bx plus 1. See, it is quadratic expression. X square plus 1 is always positive, students. X square plus 1 is always positive. This expression is positive. Expression has positive value if and only if this is positive. It is positive if ax square plus bx plus 1 is positive, plus 1. See, ax square plus bx plus 1. A takes the values from this set. These elements are positive values. That means here A is positive. Expression must be positive. Ax square plus bx plus 1 positive implies that its discriminant is less than 0. That is very, very important. Coefficient of x square positive, expression positive, the discriminant must be less than 0. Discriminant must be less than 0 means b square minus 4ac less than 0. See, b square is b minus 4, a is a, c is 1 less than 0. That means b square minus 4a less than 0. My dear students, b takes the values from this set. First is b equal to 1. If b equal to 1 implies మనకి b square అంటే 1 square minus 4a. a value any one of this from this set అయితే మనకి less than 0 అవుతుంది. That means a is any one of the element 1, 2, 3 and 9. That means number of cases is 9. Number of cases 9. b equal to 2 implies b equal to 4 minus 4a less than 0. See, if a equal to 1, 4 minus 4, 0. If a equal to 2, 4 minus 8 less than 0. That means a belongs to 2, 3 and so on 9. That means 8. So we have to write one by one like this. b equal to 3, b square minus 4a means 9 minus 4a less than 0. So for 1 it is positive greater than 0, but here we have less than 0. For 2 it is also greater than 0. So a takes the any one of the value from 3, 4 and so on 9. How many? 7. Number of cases 7. So b equal to 4, it is 16 minus 4a less than 0. That means for 4 it is 16. A takes from 5 onwards. A belongs to 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5 is 20. It becomes negative. So number of possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For b equal to 5, b square minus 4a, 25 minus 4a less than 0 is possible when a equal to 6, 7, 8, 9. For 6 also it is a positive value. So a takes the values only 7, 8, 9. Possible cases 3. If b equal to 6, 36 minus 4a less than 0. Maximum value is 9. 4 into 9, 36. 36 minus 36 equal to 0. But it is less than 0. From this onwards, no value of a. Therefore, number of cases, add these. 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5 plus 3. So I think 8 plus 8, 16 plus 7, 23 plus 9, 32. So probability equal to n of e by n of s. So 32 by 81. Students, 32 by 81. Two distinct numbers a and b are chosen randomly from the set 2, 2 square, 2 cube and so on 2 power 25. Then probability that log a base b is an integer is. Log a base b is an integer. A and b are distant is given. Let a equal to 2 power n, b equal to 2 power n. Here, because here you have powers 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube. Geometrical progression. That means m comma n belongs to 1, 2, 3 and so on 25. Implies m comma n belongs to 1, 2, 3 and so on 25. My dear students, since a and b are distant, so m and n must be different. M and n are different values. Why? Because a not equal to b. A distant numbers. So n of s m మనకి 1 గాని సెలెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు 2 3 అలాగే 25 ఉంది m కి ఛాన్సెస్ 25 బట్ n కి డిస్టింక్ట్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి a నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు b అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి m కి సెలెక్ట్ చేసిన నెంబర్ కాకుండా మిగతా సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి సో n కి 24 ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి for m we can select any one of digits from 1 to 25 in 25 ways. Since a and b are distant, that means these two powers must be different. So, for n we can select any one of the given digits except selected number of m. That can be done in 24 ways. Let e be event that log a base b is integer, this is important, is equal to a value is 2 power m, b value is 2 power n. According to logarithm properties, m by n equal to log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1. M by n must be integer. That is important, students. We have to select m values, n values such that m by n is integer. M by n is integer. 1 to 25. Please remember that one. If m equal to n equal to 1, n 1 అయినప్పుడు m వాల్యూ డిఫరెంట్ అవ్వాలి కాబట్టి n వాల్యూ 1 అయినప్పుడు m వాల్యూ 2 నుంచి తీసుకోవాలి సో m belongs to 2 3 4 and so on 25 number of cases equal to 24 only 2 నుంచి 25 లో ఏ నంబర్ తీసుకున్నా మనకి m by n ఇంటీజర్ అవుతుంది ఎందుకంటే n వాల్యూ 1 కదా ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2 తీసుకుంటే 2 by 1 2 ఇంటీజర్ 3 తీసుకుంటే 3 by 1 ఇంటీజర్ if n equal to 2 m by n that equal to m by 2 integer when m belongs to by is 2, denominator value is 2, that means m must be multiple of 2, m must be multiple of 2, so 4, don't take 2 because these two are distinct, I written here m and n are different, 4 6 next 8, how many we can take it as 4 6 8 10 12 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So number of cases 11. So if n equal to 3, m by 3 integer implies m equal to, you take multiple of 3, don't take 3, 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 3 4s are third table, 3 5s are 18, 21, 24 only. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My dear students, m by 3 integer if and only if m value must be any one of these values. If n equal to 4, m by 4 integer implies m equal to 8. Don't take 4. 4 by 4 m and must be equal. But here m and n are different because a not equal to b. 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next case, if n equal to 5, m by 5 integer implies m equal to 10, 15, 20, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4 only in this case. If n equal to 6, m equal to 6 multiples. 6 2s are 12. Don't take 6 1s are 6 because m equal to n. Here m is not equal to n. 12, 18, 24. 3. If n equal to 7, m equal to 14, 21. Only two values. If n equal to 8, so m equal to any one of the values of 16, 24. 2 only. If n equal to 9, so m equal to 18, only 1. If n equal to 10, m equal to 20 only 1. N equal to 11, m equal to 22 only 1. N equal to 12, m equal to 24 only 1. N equal to 13, m equal to 26 no 1 because m takes values from 1 to 25 only. Therefore, n of e equal to add all these values. First case 24. So 24 plus 11, 24 plus 11 plus 5 plus 7 plus 5, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here 4 ones. 24 plus 11, 35, 35 7, 42, 47, 50, 56, 58, 59, 60, 62. So required probability equal to n of e by n of s. 62 by 25 into 24. Cancel table 2. It becomes 31 by 25 into 12. No table getting cancelled here. So 31 by 12 5s are 60, 12 2s are 24. Tell me, 24 plus 6, 30. So 31 by 300 is the answer. Okay na students, రోజుకి ఇలాగా మీకు ప్రాబిలిటీలో కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అలాగా రిమైనింగ్ సీనియర్ ఇంటర్ తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ జూనియర్ ఇంటర్ ఇలాంటి వీడియోస్ చేసి మంచి ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ పెడుతూ ఉంటాను. నా వీడియోస్ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ వరకు స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. అలాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి ఫార్వర్డ్ చేయండి. సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. ఈ విధంగా మీరు ప్రిపరేషన్ చేస్తే చాలా యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్, నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ కూడా పెట్టండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. బాయ్. జై హింద్.